Hey guys, what's up? Tony Scullion here in sunny Dubai, land of sand. So I want to give a big shout out to Alex. I spent an hour talking to him on Skype last night to help me make some decisions in the next stages of my business. Alex provides massive value, as I'm sure any of you know, in his group. And for the last year, I've been a student of his, and he's really helped me nail my Facebook ads. I'm super confident in my Facebook ads. I now have people contacting me on LinkedIn trying to get meetings in very high level industries, and it's because of the results I've been getting with Facebook ads. So I just want to say to any of you that are thinking about using one of his courses and haven't signed up yet, it's a big decision to make, financial, but at the end of the day, you'll get every bit of value that he provides in those courses, but only if you apply what he teaches. Many people I speak to say that Facebook ads doesn't work for them, and do you know the number one reason why? Is because they do not apply what they have learned from doing the courses, and they do not try and test. In UAE, it's a different industry here than it is in America and in the UK, so things are slightly different. So I've had to adapt a lot, but if you've got the mindset of being a winner, you will get the results you want. And Alex has been there to give me support every step of the way. So if any of you are thinking about joining one of his e-commerce courses or his Facebook ads courses, I highly recommend it.